Hello everyone, welcome back. If the Touch ID, Face ID or passcode is missing from your setting after or before iOS update, then do the following step to get back the Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings, then tap on screen time. Here we are going to tap on content and privacy restrictions. Under content and privacy restriction, if it is disabled, then we have to enable this option. After that, scroll. Here you will see option under allow changes, passcode changes. Tap on it and make sure that allow is selected. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and launch settings again, and you will get back Touch ID, Face ID or password on your iPhone after or before iOS update. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.